Mastering reflexive and intensive pronouns. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to delve into a fascinating corner of English grammar: reflexive and intensive pronouns. These might sound complex, but they're simply tools we use to make our language more precise and colorful. Ready to become a master of these advanced pronoun concepts? Let's get started. First off, let's clear the air about what reflexive and intensive pronouns are. Both of these pronoun types end in self for singular and selves for plural. Examples include myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. But here's the key difference. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same person or thing, while intensive pronouns are used to add emphasis to a noun or pronoun already named. Let's first understand how to use reflexive pronouns. We use them when the subject and object of the sentence refer to the same entity. For instance, I cut myself with the knife. The cat is licking itself. In both sentences, the subject and object are the same. Therefore, we use a reflexive pronoun. Now let's move on to intensive pronouns. They're used to emphasize a preceding noun, which is often the subject of the sentence. Here are some examples. I myself don't believe in ghosts. The dog itself ate the food. In these examples, myself and itself are used to emphasize I and the dog, respectively. Now that you know what reflexive and intensive pronouns are, let's test your understanding. Can you tell the difference between these two sentences? I made this cake myself. Intensive. I taught myself to cook. Reflexive. The first sentence is using the pronoun myself for emphasis, therefore it's an intensive pronoun. In the second sentence, myself is used as the object that also refers to the subject, making it a reflexive pronoun. And that's it, folks. I hope this video helped to clear up the concept of reflexive and intensive pronouns. Remember, they're not as daunting as they seem. It's all about whether the pronoun is adding emphasis, intensive, or referring back to the subject, reflexive. Keep practicing and soon you'll find yourself using them with ease. Until next time, keep learning, and happy studying.